This is the multifunctional pushchair NEA. Today we will show you how to assemble it. The set is composed of the following elements: stroller seat with the hood and safety harness, guard rail, Carrycot with hood and mattress, 2 additional sun shades for Carrycot and stroller, 4 wheels, frame with basket, rear axle, and accessories, 2 leg warmers, mosquito net, rain cover, cup holder, and also car seat adapters. To unfold the frame, first, we press this button. We pull both levers, lift the handle and unfold the frame. Now we slide on the rear axle. To assemble the wheels, we insert them in the holes on the frame until they click in. To disassemble them, we press the release buttons. The front wheels have a lock for straight-ahead riding. We're switching it on this way. We release the stop and ride brake by pressing it upwards. Time to assemble the Carrycot. We pull the tape and assemble the front and a rear rod until it's locked in. We can unzip and remove the Carrycot cover for washing. We insert the mattress and place the Carrycot on the pushchair frame. To remove it, we press the release buttons on both sides. We can attach the sunshade to the hood with the zip. We can unfold it and enlarge it. The hood is equipped with a ventilation panel. And the front part of the Carrycot has an additional panel with a net. We attach the leg warmer with the zippers. They must be found on the right-hand side. We move the bottom zip alongside the Carrycot. We assemble the child wind protecting panel with snaps. We slide on the stroller seat on the frame until it clicks in. We push these buttons to remove the seat or to fit it in the opposite direction. If we want to detach the hood, we unsnap the snaps, unzip the zipper and take it off the frame. We follow all the steps in reverse order to fit the hood again. The stroller's hood has the exact same properties as the hood of the Carrycot. We slide in the guard rail on both sides of the frame until it's locked in. To remove the rail, we press this button. We adjust the seat with a lever to set it in one of the 4 positions. Seating, 2 half-lying and lie flat. The footrest can be adjusted in 3 positions. We lower it by pressing the buttons. We can also push out the fabric to clean it or to lift up the legs. To adjust the parent handle, we press this button. We fasten the safety harness this way. And we unfasten by pressing the buckle. We can fix the shoulder belts on one of the 3 heights and the crotch strap on one of the 2. We insert the car seat adapters on both sides of the frame until we hear the sound of the lock. To detach them, we press these buttons. To fold the pushchair, first we take the Carrycot or the car seat of the frame. We can fold the stroller with the seat fixed in facing the front or back direction of the ride. To do this, we fold the hood. We fold the seat to a lie-flat position with the lever. We lower down the parent handle and we fold the frame. To reduce the size of the pushchair after folding, we may detach the wheels and the shade. If we want to remove the cover of the pushchair to wash it, we detach the hood. We remove the guard rail. We unzip the zip on the back of the seat. We disassemble the crotch strap. In the exact same way, we remove the remaining belts. We detach the hook and loop fasteners from under the seat and remove the cover. We take out the insert from the cover. Now we can put it in the washing machine and wash it at 30 degrees.
Kinderkraft. Easy with kids.